Hey everybody, it's Dr. Zach here and I'm with my good friend and chiropractor Dr. March. We're going to be adjusting each other today. We're here on a nice holiday, beautiful views, beautiful friends, and we're going to get our systems working. So I'm going to walk through a little bit of what I do today. I always get my patients to start face down. This is a really good way for your nervous system to calm down and then open up for the adjustments. What I'm doing is I'm assessing the tone of Marcello's mid-back and low back, finding some areas where there's some dysfunction, improper movement. We can see here on his left side he's posted backwards. We call that posterior. And looking a bit deeper, we can see that there are some subluxations or some dysfunction in that mid-back of his. So what I'm going to do, March, is going to adjust that mid-back for you. So take a deep breath in and breathe it all the way out. Good job. Now when I have a recess, that's feeling a lot better. I'm checking out March's leg difference. We can see, yeah, so he's got a short left leg and that matches a lot with that posterior. Just checking some internal and external rotation. Okay. March, I'll get you facing on this side. This adjustment is going to correct that pelvic dysfunction that we have there. Breathe in, March. Let it go. Good job. Come onto your back for me. And now let's reassess. Oh, beautiful. Nice and even now, so that's telling me that adjustment did correct that posterior push that we had. Come face me on this side. Now I'm going to adjust your low back on this side. So the low back adjustment will have a slightly different contact. Breathe in and out. Let it go. Good job. Okay. All right, come right on your back point, mate. We're going to be adjusting March's upper cervical now. It's a pretty important complex. It goes to the brain stem. Some very important nerves come out of there. Breathe in and out for me. Do a few big deep breaths there. So what I'm doing now is just like the traction, the fascia. The fascia goes, it's like a web across every organ, cell in the body. Breathe in and out. And this here attaches right at the top of the skull. This breath is an integrator. Beautiful, come on for me. Well done. Good job. How's that? Awesome. Good job, next breath. Whoa!
Good morning, everyone. You're here with Dr. March and Dr. Zach. We've been connected as friends for almost 6 years.
Yeah.
And adjusting each other for probably 5. We've learned how to adjust each other. We know each other's bodies and nervous systems. But I'm going to walk you through kind of what I feel for when I'm adjusting someone. So I'm just feeling for a lot of tone. So by tone, I just mean does his body feel stressed? Where is his body under stress? Because I want to relieve that stress from his body. I just had my adjustment. I've been a bit croaky, and that's going to help my nervous system to sort of reorganize itself and rebalance from that stress. So I'm just feeling for that sort of harsh tone, and that's popping up right through Zach's mid back here. And I'm just feeling for his breath, the way his body moves underneath my hand. Feeling his hip joints, where are his muscles more tight. I'm just going to do one adjustment through here. This is holding back a few of his breaths. Big breath in for me, and out. Good.
Oh, yes.
And I just feel back again through there.
Oh, I feel so much better.
All right. Next, I want to realign his pelvis, and I'm just going to make sure that my findings with my hands are right. We're going to adjust this side pelvis first. Lay this side up for me. Oh, what is that? Good. We just make sure Zach's nice and comfortable. The more ease Zach is in, the better his body accepts the adjustment. Big breath in for me, and out. Awesome.
Oh,
Other side.
yes, please. That was awesome.
Get rid of this.
Yeah.
And out. Good. On your back foot. So I adjusted both sides because one side felt restricted and it draws the other opposite sacrum up with it. So we adjusted his iliac and his sacrum.
Oh, Marsh has been adjusting me for a long time, and that still is just as good.
Let's cross here. Good. Big breath in and out. Good. So we do that breath, open up that chest. It's going to help open up his shoulders. More oxygen to the brain, to the body, more energy. So again, just feeling for that tone, feeling for that movement in his vertebrae side to side. I want those joints to glide across each other. And when I don't feel like they're gliding, that's where there'll be that disconnection, that dis-ease. One more on this side.
Oh.
Big breath in and out. Always finish with a breath. Let the body integrate. All balanced. Come on up for me.
Oh, Dave, legend. Thank you.
You're welcome.